You don't know you are a collector, you do collect. Every collector, when he starts, he knows nothing. You buy something which looks interesting or beautiful. I look to you.
Exactly.
Not in the camera.
Not the cameras, no.
Okay. My name is Ulrich von Schroeder, and my life is devoted to documenting Buddhist art. I was a collector since a child, first collecting bird feathers, later starting to collecting beetles. I started collecting out of curiosity.
He's someone that I wanted to meet as soon as I got into the field. I mean, his reputation precedes him. He's produced these books that collectors, scholars, curators, specialists in the field rely on. My job would be so much harder if it weren't for him. I feel like he's one of the giants whose shoulders I lean on as a specialist of Himalayan art.
At the age of 22, I interrupted my study as an architect and traveled overland to India and eventually landed in Nepal. In those days, you could still discover things. In a way, I discovered a culture. By going to Kathmandu, getting involved with Tibetan art, I would say I made the first books on Tibetan sculptures.
As an independent scholar, Ulrich von Schroeder has profoundly contributed to the field of Himalayan art, producing these incredible volumes that are almost encyclopedias on Tibetan and Nepalese sculpture that we all use on a daily basis.
It must have been in Taxila I came first time across a Buddha seated in meditation. It shocked me. I still feel that because it was just the opposite of me. Sometimes I say my books reflect my search, my lifelong search for the non-existing perfect Buddha. Now this particular Buddha is in a way the most beautiful one ever. It's the simplicity which attracts me. But you see, everybody experiences it differently. You can only say how you personally feel about an image. This goddess is Durga. This type is called Mahishasura Mardini. That means here she is conquering a demon. This one is dating from the 16th, 17th century, but it was inspired by the earliest known stone sculpture of a Durga known to me. I have never seen anything like that. Her power is so amazing. As an art piece, it is extraordinary. This piece I published first time in 1981, but it was maybe 40 years later that I could purchase it. And for me, it's a fascinating image. Kashmir has this energy which you don't have usually in Nepal. You need to reach a certain age to realize that your collection is not going to be with you forever. Of course, departing with images is painful in one way, but in the other way, I hope that the paintings and sculptures I sell will be treasured by the next owners and also handed on in future again. My ongoing interest for Tibetan art is based on the realization that there is still a lot to be discovered. On the 15th of July, I fly Bangkok, 3 days there in Chengdu, and then we fly to the highest airport in the world, more than 4,000 meters. This is so important in my life. This is the purpose of my life, to document